We haven't had a festival in 2 years. So we've had this in the works for over 2 years. As a Calgarian, I mean, bringing in people for a sport that they love and something that's common like dragon boat, when they come in, it's fantastic because you see everybody smile, everybody's paddles up, right? Dragon boating in Calgary has been around for 31 years now. And here we are with the Calgary Dragon Boat Society, which was really formed in 2010, 12 years ago. What you see here today in the Calgary Race and Festival, this is just the Calgary normal Dragon Boat Circuit Festival. Here, a lot of corporate teams just get put together and it's as a team building event. The club teams, they've been around for a long time and they get together and they're serious. They practice 3 times a week, as much as that, or even more, and they travel to Calgary, Vancouver, San Francisco. Very, very competitive, but I think the biggest thing is I don't think it's the medals. It's still the camaraderie, the team, just this year, in fact, we had a couple that met dragon boating, started dating during dragon boating, and got engaged dragon boating, and took their photos on a dragon boat this year. If you look at the paddlers' faces, that's when I can see that everything worked out. So. We never stop. As soon as this is over, debrief and set the date and start planning again. What do we need to do?